Strengthening Faith 6. In a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4168, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the strong believer is more beloved to Allah, the Exalted, than a weaker believer. This does not necessarily refer to physical strength, which one uses to perform righteous deeds, but it also refers to gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge in order to obtain certainty of faith. The one who possesses strong faith will fulfill their duties to Allah, the Exalted, and people correctly, and in every situation, during ease and difficulties, according to their knowledge. Whereas, a weak believer will easily fail in their duties to Allah, the Exalted, and people in difficult situations. In addition, the faith of the weak believer is based on blind imitation of others and not Islamic knowledge. Blind imitation prevents one from improving their behavior through gaining new knowledge, and it often leads to deviant practices, especially when the person one imitates is ignorant themselves. Blind imitation does not suffice when one faces difficult situations which require steadfastness, which in itself is rooted in gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge. For example, the one who does not possess Islamic knowledge easily questions and challenges destiny. The stronger one's faith, the greater their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, in the form of fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This in turn increases their success in both worlds. Chapter 41 Fussilat, verse 53.
We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.